Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting video because this is my Hobonichi 2022 haul from 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔, which is a local reseller. I only ordered 2 things, so I decided to go ahead and order it from a local reseller. They were also offering free shipping for a certain amount, and they ship their packages in this very sustainable pouch, and I'm very happy about that. So let's go ahead and see what is inside this pack, and I'm keeping it a mystery for now. So I do have something that's a 5 size and a weeks, and it's packaged pretty well, very nicely, but it will not have any freebies because this is a reseller and those are only from the official website. So this is the first of my 2 orders, and this is the Hobonichi plain notebook in A5. It's a little bent at the end, but that is completely okay. I am fine with that. And if you open it up, you will see that it only has grid pages, which changes colors 4 times throughout, and it's going to be a Hobonichi cousin that I've set up myself, so I have complete control over all the spreads that I will make in this little notebook. The binding itself is very similar to all the Hobonichi books. It is sewn and glued onto the cover. Next, we have my reason for why I had to just order a Hobonichi Weeks this early, and please stay until the end to know why. I'm showing you the packaging first because I always want to know how they come and the branding itself. This year there's 2 plastic things, and then there's also the 2022 pamphlet, and it's much smaller than the last year's one. And this is the Hobonichi Weeks that I got. It is the new ones in mint soda, and this is such a good planner. It is another soft cover from Hobonichi Weeks. I did have the white line series. Actually, I'm still using that now. It has a stamped Hobonichi at the back and a silver 2022 stamped in the front. And it has the exact same features as any Hobonichi Weeks, and I'll have an in-depth review of that coming very soon when I set it up. This is the white line in comparison. This is the more popular last year's soft cover, and the new ones is a little thicker than the white line that I have. I'm partial to soft covers because I like that it's very light and you can do a lot of things to it and it will not get damaged. The new ones is also a little bit wider than the white line. The new ones is made of a different material than other soft covers such as white line and sneakers. It's made of polyurethane, which is a family of plastics that had a wide domestic and industrial application, and for Hobonichi it feels like rubber and behaves like rubber. This is the thickest Hobonichi that I have ever used, and don't let the color fool you. This is such a durable planner, and it can withstand a lot of things. Polyurethane is also found in a lot of different materials such as wall insulation up all the way to fridge insulation, your mattress, your couch. All of those are the same material. And here I'm just showing you how durable it is. I will never do this to my hardcovers. It's just not possible. But this planner can just take all of that bending that I'm doing right now, and it will not lay flat, I have to say, but otherwise it is so good. So here I'm demonstrating how it refuses to lay flat, and if that is an issue for you, this is not going to be a planner that you will enjoy. But for me, I really don't mind that. And also, this is not neon, not like what's in the photos on the listings of all the sites. So that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.